Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to make Hawaiian Lau Lau. The ingredients include pork butt cut into 2-inch cubes and salted with Hawaiian or coarse rock salt, pork belly and butterfish both cubed into about 1-inch cubes. And the final ingredient is luau leaves with the stems removed, 6 to 8 leaves depending on the size of the leaves. Stack the leaves on top of each other with the biggest leaves at the bottom. Place 3 pieces of the salted or seasoned pork butt, 1 piece of pork belly, and 1 piece of butterfish into the center of the leaves and tightly wrap into a ball about the size of a softball or a little smaller. And now the fun part of wrapping with tea leaves. Wrap the ball with 1 tea leaf and then crossing it over with another tea leaf and using the straight stalk or stem to tie a simple knot to hold everything together. Pull tight to secure the knot and then trim the excess leaves away. Here's the process from a different angle. 6 to 8 luau leaves, 3 pieces of pork butt, 1 piece of pork belly, and 1 piece of butterfish. Wrap into a ball and then wrap with tea leaves. Some preparers tell you to remove the ribs of the tea leaves to make it easier to wrap. But this is very time consuming, especially if you be making a lot of lau lau. In the kitchen I worked at as a teenager, we were simply taught to break and weaken the straight stalk or stems with our fingers to make it easier to wrap. Much faster, as we made hundreds of lau lau each morning. Place the lau lau into large pots and steam for 3 to 4 hours. Remove the tea leaves and then dig into the tender and tasty lau lau. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to tap that like button. Thanks.